there, health enthusiasts. We welcome you to the Health Collective, where your well-being is our priority. We are here, dedicated to providing you with accurate and vital information about health and wellness. Our commitment is to empower you, enabling you to make informed decisions about your health. Together, we will delve into the fascinating world of nutrition, fitness, and wellness. So buckle up as in today's episode, we unfold the secrets of 8 foods that can save your intestines from damage. Before we dive into the foods, it's essential to understand why maintaining good intestinal health is crucial. The intestines are the unsung heroes of our bodies, working tirelessly to digest our food and absorb nutrients. They break down what we eat into smaller components that our bodies can use, allowing us to fuel our daily activities and keep ourselves healthy. But what happens when our intestines aren't in top condition? The consequences can range from annoying to severe. We may experience discomfort, bloating, or even nutritional deficiencies. In more serious cases, poor intestinal health can lead to chronic diseases like irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease. The good news is, we can take steps to protect our intestines. By being mindful of what we eat, we can support these vital organs and help them function at their best. Now that we understand the importance of intestinal health, let's explore the foods that can help protect it. The first food on our list is the humble apple. Brimming with dietary fiber, particularly pectin, apples promote the growth of good bacteria, which contributes to a healthy gut. But remember, a lot of the fiber is in the skin, so don't peel it off. Next, we have the powerhouse of probiotics, yogurt. This tangy delight is known for its gut-friendly bacteria that can enhance your intestinal health. It aids in the digestion process and helps maintain the balance of microflora in your gut. Opt for the unsweetened versions to avoid unnecessary sugar. Thirdly, let's talk about the world's most consumed legume, soybeans. They're packed with fiber and antioxidants, making them excellent for your intestinal health. They provide fuel for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and preventing inflammation. From tofu to tempeh, there are a myriad of ways to include soybeans in your diet. Coming in at number 4 are blueberries. These tiny globes of health are not just delicious, but they're also rich in antioxidants and fiber. They can reduce inflammation and protect your intestines from damage. Incorporate them in your breakfast cereals, smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Each of these foods brings its unique set of benefits to your table. They're not just nourishing your body, but also ensuring your intestines are in top shape. Remember, it's not just about including these foods in your diet, but also about maintaining variety and balance. A diverse diet means a diverse gut microbiome, and that's what we're aiming for. Moving on to the next set of foods that are equally beneficial. Continuing with our list, the 5th food is bananas. These tasty fruits are not just convenient snacks. They're jam-packed with pectin, a type of fiber that aids digestion and helps regulate your gut bacteria. The 6th food on our list is a bit more exotic, kimchi. This fermented Korean dish is a probiotic powerhouse, boosting your gut's population of beneficial bacteria. Plus, it's spicy and delicious. Let's shift gears to a more familiar food, oats. Oats are number 7 on our list. They're a rich source of soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in your intestines and helps keep everything moving smoothly. Oats also contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber that can lower cholesterol levels and help control blood sugar. And now, we've reached the final food on our list. Number 8, the humble lentil. Lentils are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber helps control blood sugar and lower cholesterol, while the insoluble fiber aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. But that's not all. Lentils are also high in protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Now you may be wondering, why these foods? Why focus on fiber and probiotics? The answer is simple. Your intestines are home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation. A diet rich in fiber and probiotics helps keep this microbiome healthy and balanced, which in turn helps keep you healthy. So, there you have it. From bananas to lentils, these 8 superfoods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help safeguard your intestines. Incorporating these foods into your diet can go a long way towards promoting good intestinal health. And remember, it's not just about eating these foods in isolation. It's about creating a balanced, varied diet that provides all the nutrients your body and your gut needs. These are the 8 superfoods that can help safeguard your intestines. Let's quickly recap the 8 foods we discussed today. First on our list was the humble apple, a powerhouse of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Then we delved into the benefits of bananas, another high-fiber food rich in potassium and a boon for those with sensitive stomachs. We moved on to discuss the magic of oats, a fantastic source of beta-glucan, a type of fiber that nurtures good bacteria in the gut. Fourth in line was the often overlooked beetroot, packed with fiber and betalains that help protect the digestive system. The second half of our list began with the spicy world of ginger, a long-standing remedy for various digestive problems. We then took a look at sweet potatoes, rich in antioxidants, fiber and vitamins, which contribute to a healthy gut lining. Next up was yogurt, a great source of probiotics that help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. And finally, we discussed the importance of consuming plenty of water, the unsung hero in maintaining optimal digestive health. But here's the crux of the matter. While these 8 foods bring specific benefits to your intestines, it's crucial to remember that they are part of a larger picture. A balanced diet is not about focusing on 1 or 2 superfoods, but about combining a variety of foods in the right proportions. It's about getting a mix of different nutrients from diverse food groups. It's about balancing the intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, while also ensuring you get enough vitamins and minerals. It's about appreciating the symphony of nutrients that work together to keep you healthy. So while you incorporate these 8 foods into your diet, remember to also enjoy a colorful plate of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And let's not forget the importance of regular physical activity. Remember, these foods alone cannot guarantee perfect health, but they surely contribute to a healthy and well-functioning intestine. We hope you found this episode enlightening and useful. Our journey through the 8 superfoods that can work wonders for your intestinal health has been quite a discovery, hasn't it? From the fiber-rich goodness of whole grains to the antioxidant properties of blueberries, each food item we explored can bring a unique set of benefits to your digestive health. Now, the real journey begins with you. It's up to you to incorporate these foods into your routine. Remember, it's not just about adding these foods to your plate, but about cultivating a balanced dietary regimen. After all, your intestines, like the rest of your body, thrive on balance. There's an old saying that goes, "We are what we eat." In a world filled with fast food chains and processed food aisles, it's easy to forget the wisdom in these words. But when you think about the intricate workings of your intestines and how they can be influenced by the food you consume, the truth in this saying becomes crystal clear. So, take a moment to reflect upon your dietary choices. Are they serving your health, or are they causing more harm than good? It's never too late to make a change. And remember, change doesn't have to be drastic. Start small. Start by adding a serving of any one of the 8 foods we discussed today to your daily diet. Observe how your body responds, and then gradually make more changes. Our goal here at the Health Collective is to empower you with knowledge that you can use to improve your health and well-being. But we understand that health is a broad and complex subject. That's why we strive to break it down into digestible bites, pun intended. We believe that with the right information, everyone can make more informed decisions about their health. But we need your support to continue this journey. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription not only helps us reach more people, it also tells us that our work is making a difference. And that's the biggest motivation for us. In the coming weeks, we'll be exploring more health topics and bringing you more insights. So stay tuned, and remember, your health is your wealth. Invest in it wisely. Thank you for tuning into the Health Collective. Don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Stay healthy, stay informed.